Hello, young explorers. Welcome back to Plant Power. Today is day 3, and we're exploring superstems and more amazing roots. Get ready to learn how plants stand tall and drink up. Ready for an adventure? We'll discover special roots, called rock and tie, that hold plants up and store food. Then, we dive into stems, or lam-tun, learning their jobs and what's inside. Wow, look, these are prop roots, or rakyak kamjuan. They grow down from the stem like extra legs, helping the plant stand strong and steady. Super support. See the mangrove tree, Tongonggang? It lives in wet mud. Its amazing prop roots act like stilts, holding it firmly above the water. So clever. Yummy. Meat storage roots, or rak sasom ahan. These roots get thick because they store lots of food for the plant, like its own secret snack cupboard. Have you eaten these? Carrots, yam beans, man gaaew, tapioca, man sam bpa lang, and finger roots, grachai, are all storage roots. They keep food underground. It's a science fact. Many tasty vegetables we eat, like carrots and sweet potatoes, are actually the plant's storage roots, full of energy. Now let's talk stems. Lam-tun. Stems have 2 huge jobs. First, support, holding up leaves and flowers. Second, transport, moving water and food around the plant. Stems are diverse. Look, a tall, strong tree trunk is a stem, and so is the thin, bendy stem of a flower. Different shapes for different plants. Let's peek inside. Stems have tiny tubes called vascular bundles, or tall lam liang. Think of them like tiny straws running through the stem, carrying important stuff. This is xylem, pronounced Xylem. These tubes carry water and minerals, UP, from the roots high up to the leaves. Remember, XY high for water going high. And this is phloem, pronounced phloem. Phloem tubes carry food, the sugar made in leaves, down and around, to feed all parts of the plant. Phloem down for food flow. Most stems we see are above-ground stems, lam-tun noa-din. They live above the soil. We can group them into 3 main types you might know. Like tall trees, mai tan, such as teak, shorter shrubs, mai pum, like ixora, and soft herbs, mai lom luk, like marigolds, all have above-ground stems. Fantastic learning. We saw prop roots, storage roots, and learned stems support and transport using xylem and phloem. Next time, we explore secret stems hidden underground.